Come in.
Have you done your homework yet?
Yep, all done.
Okay, good. Jimmy, I need you to take out the trash.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Can you close the door?
Cuidado con las galletas que te ofrecen los villanos.
No.
Todos saben eso en Auradon,
No,
claro.
no es eso, no, en serio.
No
cuando
entiendo.
juego-
Eres listo. Comprendo. Está bien. Más para mí, creo.
No, ay. ¿Ves?
Anđelka, opet si parkirala u zoni, nisi platila parking, opet nam je stigla kazna. Anđelka, bre!
Sve linije su trenutno zauzete. Molimo vas, sačekajte.
I want to be Tracer.
I'm already Tracer.
Every time!
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is
Topotão.
Ever since I left the city.
Fuck it. What? Christ!
¿Alguien perdió sus anteojos? ¿Nadie? La suma de las raíces cuadradas de dos lados de un triángulo isósceles es igual a la raíz cuadrada del lado restante.
Eso es el equilátero, idiota.
And she says, I wish that I could be like the cool kids. Cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids. Like the cool kids.
Merry Christmas! Oh my gosh, Mom, thanks! Well, what'd you get me? Let's see. You gotta be kidding me, right? What? That's what you wanted. Mom, I asked for an Apple Watch, not an apple on a watch. I'm done, I can't.
Hey, can I borrow a pen?
Oh, sure.
Thanks.
No problem.
Man, this is a nice pen.
Yes, it is. And you're gonna give it back, right?
Yes?
I didn't like the uncertainty there.
Oh, no. Is this some kind of repeating hallway? Oh, it is, isn't it? Let's go. I'm okay.
Pause for the camera then. Next. Pause for the camera then. Pause for the camera then. Next.
Let's go to bitches fiesta.
Esta noche tengo.
Vii să-mi citești o poveste.
Foca ucigașă, dacă vrei.
E de groază?
Încă nu.
Pot, te rog frumos, să stau aici dacă fac liniște.
De ce?
Îmi place să mă uit cum dormi liniștitor.
Nu.
He said one day you'll leave this world behind. So live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child. These are the nights that never die. My father told me.
You can count on me. like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2.
I'll be home in a month after people have forgotten I'm a freshman.
Well, please just take care of yourself, honey.
Hey guys, is everyone on the phone?
Oh, I gotta go.
Something's in the oven.
I lost a shoe. No, don't leave me on the phone with her.
Stewie?
Hey.
Then show me your
Take 2 steps forward. If
bastard.
Oh, bugger. Chicken nuggets. Actually, I don't keep up with the guys because I don't run.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see.
Today, I am going to McDonald's. This is not 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 McDonald's!
Mom, give me candy.
No, I've already told you no more sweets today.
I'll tell my dad.
You'll tell your dad what?
That you're cheating?
I'm not cheating.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. Oh.
Then show me your
take 2 steps forward. If
bastard.
Baš su te tražili ove kobre.
Kobre?
Da, bre.
Mama ti je dabar, kaj sereš tu?
Ne, Bobi te tražili.
Koji sad Bobi?
Koji te u sobi? Zezam se, Toni je bil tu.
Koji sad Toni?
Johnny has 19 bottles of dish soap, and he gets Gina.
Wait, why does Johnny have so many soaps? Mind your business, David! Why are you worrying about it?
If you don't stand so close, you're making me claustrophobic.
What does claustrophobic mean?
It means he's afraid of Santa Claus.
No, it doesn't.
Ho, ho, ho!
Stop it, Patrick, you're scaring him!
Ho, ho, ho!
It's not working, Patrick.
Pause for the camera dead. Next. Pause for the camera dead. Pause for the camera dead. Next.
For the record, I don't want to hang out with you anymore when this is over.
When this is what, Brian? Over.
I said I don't want to hang out with you anymore when this is over.
When this is what? You gotta finish your sentence. Over.
That's it. My sentence is over.
Your sentence is what, Brian? Over.
My sentence is... Wait a minute. I have to say over even if the sentence ends with the word over?
Ends with the word what, Brian? Over.
Siri, what's the weather like today?
It's 70 degrees and sunny.
Awesome.
Jimmy, who are you talking to?
Just a scroll on my phone.
Are you cheating on me?
No, never. No, no, no.
What's her name?
Siri.
I have many faces. Cute. Chill.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Sexy. And also funny.
The 3 types of people when it starts to snow.
Oh, God, here we go again. Mother Nature, why do you hate us? You know, to be honest, I don't even care if the wind hurts my face right now. This is just so beautiful. Hi, yeah, I'd like to report an emergency. Something's falling out of the sky, and I think the world might be ending.